Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this channel. My name is Abdelohab. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you on how you can actually design your book cover, that is your Amazon KDP book cover, without it being rejected. Okay, so if you have been getting your book cover rejected, it might be due to some reason. So I'm going to give you the steps in which you actually need to follow right now for you to actually design a book cover. Once you can follow this step that I'm going to list for you, you are going to be able to create your book cover without it being rejected. All right, you need to master it once and for all. Okay, so the first thing you actually need to do once you want to design your KDP book cover is for you to know two things. One, you're going to have Kindle, all right? So you're going to have for Kindle ebook and you're going to have for paperback, all right? So those are the two things that you will do, okay? All right, so the first thing you need to do is for you to actually go to your publisher, all right? So by using your publisher, you are not going to go online. Okay, some people will use Canva. You can actually use Canva. Okay, but to make it easy for you and to also reduce the stress or the cost of spending online, so you can use publisher. All right, so once you use publisher, you should know the type of book that you are writing. All right, so if you are writing book just for all these low content book, so you should actually know the size first. All right, and I'm also going to show you on how you can know all this size today. Right, but if you are writing a normal book, or if you are the type that normally do book modeling or you summarize books, okay, your own is for you to actually know that most of the book that you summarize or you model or the trending that you normally write is 6 by 9. All right, but some books are 8.5 by 11. Take note of this first. Once you have been able to figure out this one, you are going to write, or you're going to be able to design a book cover that won't be rejected. Okay, for example, let's say the book you want to model right now, once you are done with the modeling, just understand that you're going to use 6 by 9. All right, so size 6 by 9, so that your book will go live and none of them will be rejected. Once you have it 6 by 9, the first thing is for you to go to your publisher or your Canva, whichever one you like. All right, so once you go there, just go to the page setup and set up this page, which is 6 by 9. Once you have been able to set up this, make sure it is in inches. All right, go to your setting and change it to inches, then set it to 6 by 9. All right, once you have set it to 6 by 9, then you will now design your book cover. Okay, that is for the KDP. The first one will be for the KDP. Okay, so once you have been able to design for this KDP, so the next thing you need to do right now is for you to actually design the back cover still on that 6 by 9. Design them separately. Okay, the front cover and the back cover should be on separate page. Okay, so once you are done with this, save it as JPG. Okay, so once you are done saving both as JPG, then there will be no problem when you upload this image on Kindle. But what of the paperback? Okay, so I'm going to show you the next thing for you to do right now. Once you want to do the paperback so that it won't be rejected, what you need to do right now is for you to actually go to this site that I'm going to show you. Okay, so let's go to book O. All right, so book O. So we're going to go to book O, where we're going to be able to get the size for what? For the paperback. All right, you recall we use 6 by 9. Okay, that is for the width and the height, or 6 by 9 on what? On the Kindle. So we are not going to use the 6 by 9 on paperback. This is where most of people made mistake, and we're going to correct the mistake right now. So once you're on this website right now, so once you are here, just click on this one, the first one here, for it to take you to the main website. Okay, so it's downloading. Once it's downloading, this is the next thing that you actually need to do. All right, you can actually see KDP cover template. All right, so and this one is what we are going to use right now. So we're going to click on this KDP cover template generator. So once I click on this one right now, it's going to open and take us to this page. All right, you can actually see we can use this one for paperback and the hardcover, but right now we are going to use it for paperback. So what are you going to do once you are here? The next thing for you to do is for you to actually select the number of pages that the book you write are. All right, so I'm going to do it for you to actually see, okay, because this is why we are here in this video. All right, so if you found this video helpful and you also want me to be doing more video about keyword research, because once you write all these books and you cannot even give it a good keyword that people are actually searching for every single month, so you are not going to make sales. And I have all these tools for free that you can actually be using to see. You're going to see the exact keyword that people are searching for. All right, once you see this one and you see if they are profitable or not, you see the amount of people that are actually purchasing using that keyword. So if you want me to record that kind of video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so that if I drop that video, you'll be notified first. If you also want me to drop the video, go to the comment section right now and tell me drop the keyword research video, and I'm going to do the video step by step, and it is going to be free for you. You don't actually need to spend a dime to do this research. All right, so let's go back. So what you need to do right now is for you to actually enter the size of the book, which is the width. All right, you recall the one we are writing now, let's say it is 6x9. Okay, you're going to enter the 6x9 here. All right, so I'm going to enter the 6. You can actually see I've been using this. That is why you can actually be seeing it here. So I'll click on this 6. So I'll also go to what the width. Okay, if it is the width, okay, so I'll choose 9 because this is the book I'm writing. So once you have been able to write this one here, then page count, what is the page number of the books, how many pages the book is. All right, so make sure you take a look at the book again. That is the manuscript. Let's say it is 40 pages. You write a 40, or let's say 45. Once you have write a 45 here, so you can actually see here, this is white, this is cream, this is color. Anyone you want the book, okay, any color that you want the book to take the shape. Okay, all right, so I'm going to use white because I want my book to be white. Okay, so that is why you can actually see it is on black. So the next thing for you to do is for you to come down here and enter your email. So I'm going to enter my email right now. So you repeat the email here. All right, okay, so once you enter this email, you repeat it here again, then you check this area. So I've clicked on check. You can actually see I'll click on email cover template. All right, so once I click on email cover template, it will take me to this page. All right, so where it will ask me to what, okay, it will take me to this page right now. You can actually see this page where it will ask me to actually send it. All right, so once you're on this page, the next thing for you to actually do is to click on this maybe next time. All right, so once you click on this maybe next time right here, then you click on continue. So once you click on continue, this template is going to be sent to your email. So let's take a look at it right now. All right, okay, so now we get back to our email right now to check if it has been delivered to our email. All right, so as you can see, it has been delivered to our email right here. Okay, so the next thing for you to do is to actually open this email, and we are going to download this first one. Can you actually see it here? So right, so I'm going to click on the download button, so it will download it right now. All right, so it has been downloaded, and if you can actually see, this is 6x9 book. Okay, you can actually see 6x9. All right, so if you let me zoom this area, you can actually see this area. This is 12.35 by 9.25 right now. So, and this is the size that you're going to be using in your publisher to design your book cover. Okay, all right, so you're going to enter this size right now. This is 12.351 inches by 9.25. So that is the size that you're going to use. So once you use this size, so Amazon is not going to reject your book cover. Okay, so you are also going to use this image. Make sure you upload this to your publisher or your Canva, whichever one you are using, so you'll be able to design your book cover as perfect as you can. All right, so you are not going to use this one for the paperback. All right, so if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be notified first. If you also want me to drop the next video where I'm going to show you on how you can actually do the keyword research, make sure you type it on the comment section of this video. All right, okay, so I remain Abdul Wahab. See you in the next video.